Hello mga ka-connect, maulang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This is Kuya Coach EA, President Creator of Puwersa Fitness, and beside me,
Yes, I'm Sinclair Castro. I'm the Vice President of Puwersa Fitness. Nako,
Yan,
masyadong
okay.
maulan ngayon, partner.
Siyempre, oo nga,
Grabe,
medyo
no?
maulan pero mainit pa rin.
Mainit ang
Okay.
mainit ang ating topic for this
Ayan.
afternoon. Pero before anything else, I
Siyempre.
would like to thank you, Euro TV Philippines,
Yes.
for having us here for this afternoon. And of course, ang ating sisi na si Christine Quinto na nagbabakasyon ngayon sa Germany! Grabe,
Yes!
Christine,
At
hi!
syempre, papasalamat tayo kay Sir Danny for
Yeah,
having us
thank you, Sir
here
Danny.
sa Spot Connect.
Yes! So, partner,
Huwag na
nako,
nating patagalin pa.
Bakit?
Syempre, nakaka-excite ang ating guest
exciting.
today.
Yes, very
Nakaka-excite,
exciting. Kasi it's really about health, diba? And
Yeah.
I know that everyone who's watching here, makaka-connect talaga kayo dito sa
Totoo
aming
yan,
topic.
yan.
And this one is something new in our,
O
in
kaya,
our
huwag
industry.
na natin patagalin pa. Let's
Yes.
connect to them. So,
Yes, connect to
introduce mo
them.
na.
Yes. So, I would like to introduce Miss Marilu Apilado, the Liveway brand partner. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, Press
Eh,
EA and
yeah.
VP Sinclair.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, thank you very much.
Yan.
Na-invite nyo kami dito. This
At
is
syempre,
Miss
kami ang
Marilu-
dapat magpasalamat na hindi nyo kami
Hinindian.
hinindian.
Oo.
Yes.
So, of course, si Ma'am Grace Magpusaw,
Yes.
ang isang senior director ng Liveway brand partner.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having us here this afternoon. My name is Grace Magpusaw, Lifeway Brand Partner.
Yun, noon. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang sexy-sexy pa. No?
Yes, so grabe. Si Ma'am
Yan ba
Ma'am Grace
nagagawa ng produkto nila?
ng Lifeway.
Sige,
Tingnan
alamin natin yan
mamaya.
later.
Yeah, of course. We have here Dennis Kiriba, the senior director of Liveway brand partner.
All right. Thank you so much for inviting us this afternoon. And again, it's an exciting day for all of us. A new technology awaits for everyone.
Ayun. At syempre, hindi na natin patatagalin pa ang ating araw na ito dahil gustong-gusto na alam ko ng mga manonood kung ano nga ba ang Life Wave.
Okay, LifeWave is a 20 years old company based in US. It was established in 2002, founded by our visionary CEO David Smith.
Wow.
With an office and the headquarters located at San Diego, California, as the headquarter.
Wow, taga-US pala yan.
Yeah, US based.
International po pala ito.
International.
It is an international company, and we do have also office at Provo, Utah. Then we manufacture actually breakthrough product, and this is designed for wellness, health, and beauty. Overall wellness ito, ma'am. And then
Wow.
our manufacturing facility is located in Ireland. We are actually present globally, and here in the Philippines, we started the product distribution here in 2019, where I started also LifeWave.
So,
Now,
2019 na
Wow,
pala. So,
matagal na pa
almost
pala.
pag-4 years na.
here in the Philippines, 4 years, but 20 years old na yung ating company this coming November. And right now, I'd like to, I am very proud to say that we are now into networking, direct selling, multi-level industry. And in 2002, we started actually as a research and development company. We're very proud to be one of the LifeWavers.
So,
Wow.
ano pa ha? Buhay pa yung talagang founder and scientist ba ang tawag sa
He
kanya?
is. He is. I am very honored and proud to introduce to you, to the audience, our visionary founder is also our genius inventor of the product. He is also a brilliant scientist researcher at the same time. Now, over than that, I would say he has a very amazing heart and mind.
Wow.
That's
He is born for
nice, oh.
humanity.
Grabe.
Siyempre,
Uy,
alam-
scientist daw yun, partner.
scientist.
Di ba scientist, creator, hindi ba parehas yun?
Hindi. Iba yung scientist sa creator. Yan. Creator is creating a program or
Yeah,
something.
Alam ko naman yun.
Yeah.
Joke lang.
Nag-ano pa tayo dito, no? Hindi, alam ko ito yung nakaka-excite. Kasi
Yes.
alam ko, syempre, inaasahan na ng mga ating manonood, ng ating mga kakonect, na ano nga bang produkto meron sila.
Oo, di ba? Light wave.
Yeah.
Ano nga ba itong mga products
Ano
ng
ba
light
ito?
wave na to?
Produkto po ba ito or
Ano ba to?
Let us know.
Service ba to or what?
Actually, we have a very amazing technology right now. Very unique ang product natin. Because if you need, like, you want to enhance your energy, vitality, you are looking for a pain relief, natural, and then let's say you are stressed, no? Kailangan mo ng improvement sa sleep, yung quality of sleep mo, syempre.
Uy, kailangan natin yan.
Control of
Teka lang.
Sandali, partner.
Kailangan
Parang nasa
natin.
atin lahat yata yun Stress,
Yeah.
kulang sa tulog.
Masakit ang katawan.
Masakit ang katawan.
Kaya
Ikaw
kailangan
yun.
natin yan.
Ikaw yun, partner. Lagi mong nirereklamo sa akin, masakit ang
No
katawan mo.
denial. Oo.
Ha? Matanda na po kasi to Sorry.
Wow.
Yes, and
Am I look?
we have more, no? If you want to control also your appetite, no? And
Ay, ayaw ko yun.
you are already straight, sige.
Parang hindi ko na kailangan yung appetite.
Okay, how about looking younger, performing better?
Yes.
Yan ang kailangan natin. Kailangan natin yan.
natin.
Di ba mga ka-connect?
Yes.
Kailangan niya yan.
But no, we have this what we call flagship product. I am very proud to introduce to you. X39 is our LifeWave product. And I'm going to share already what is X39. Now, this one is actually designed to stimulate our nerves and to activate our stem cell. But the feature in here is this is an amazing one because it is not a drug, no chemicals, non-invasive, therefore very safe, and fast-acting relief siya.
So, hindi to
Very
iniinom.
easy.
Yan, yun yung
Hindi
gusto
siya
kong itanong.
iniinom.
Gusto ko itanong. Ayan.
Hindi
siya
siya
iniinom.
This is in form of wearable pad.
Wow, so,
Wearable patch.
Very easy to use.
Much safer siya, no?
Much
Kasi
safer.
sa panahon ngayon, ang mga tao takot ng uminom eh. Kasi
Yes,
lalo yung mga synthetic na drug. So
Yes.
nakakatakot kasi ang kawawa niya yung kidney
Yung
natin.
kidney.
Exactly.
Tsaka yung liver.
Yan.
No?
So, it is really alternative products sa mga taong takot uminom ng gamot.
Actually,
Diba?
hindi lang sa mga taong
Exactly.
takot uminom. Sa lahat ng tao talaga.
Yes.
Better siya, I think. Di ba?
Oh, yeah. Pero hindi Mas lalo nga daw sa mga taong hindi talaga umiinom ng gamot. Kasi they're very particular about the products that they are taking, right? So,
Yeah, yeah.
this one is really good for them. Right?
Yes.
Especially yung mga nabanggit mo kanina na mga stress. Gusto magpapayat, gusto magpaganda.
Yes.
Oh my God, ito ba yung nagpapakontrol ng sabi mo kanina, nagpapakontrol ng age or pababata?
Yes,
At linawin lang po natin yun. Di ba meron mga anti-aging drug?
Oh.
This one, ang pagkakaalam ko is age reversal.
Age
So,
reversal?
Yeah.
Paki-explain.
Oh my God!
Paki-explain.
Partner, gusto ko to.
So, ibig sabihin, kung reversal, paatras, paurong.
Oh,
Atras.
So,
paurong.
kung,
Gusto ko yan.
Kung 43 ako ngayon, 43 years old kong
Magiging
gamitin yan,
33 ka.
magiging 9 months old ako.
Ay, partner, magiging 9 months. Actually, magiging infant ka nga Kasi
Wag mo
hanggang
nang
ngayon,
subukan.
Gusto ko
Wag mo nang
ipakita.
subukan.
Gusto kong makita.
Wag mo nang subukan.
Oh, sige, sige.
I'd like to make it clear, ha? No worries, Sir AA, because you will not reach on that age anymore.
Oh,
You
why?
will just be reversed at least half of
So,
your
ibig
age.
sabihin
Half
nun,
of your
ma'am.
age.
So,
In terms of biological age, ha? So, in LifeWave, age is just a number, but your biological age is actually
Yeah.
getting younger.
So, ibig sabihin nun, pag gumamit ako niyan, magmumukha akong bata.
Yeah.
So, pag nagmukha akong bata, gumamit ako niyan. Tama?
Gumamit ka. You have to be a product of the product.
Yes.
So,
grabe,
kung,
no?
kung yung product, magiging product ako nun, pwede na rin ako ipagbili?
Yeah. Pwede.
Product na ako.
Okay.
Joke lang.
So, next question. What makes it unique from other products?
Well,
Yo.
it is really very unique. In the first place, this, of course, amazing technology that has no competition, zero competition, one and only. And then, the only phototherapy in the world that uses human body as the power source. So you don't need battery, you don't need electricity. All you have to do is just wear the patch and it is activated by your very own body.
So, para tayo nagiging generator.
Exactly.
Right?
So, nagsusource ka pala ng
ng energy.
energy.
Yeah.
Yes, as if
Pero
you
totoo
are
yun,
wearing,
totoo yun.
Ah, wow.
as if you are wearing a portable sunlight already.
So, portable sunlight. Grabe, no? Sobrang, another knowledge na naman na
Yeah.
natutunan natin
So,
for
para
this
itong yung
afternoon.
katulad na minsan pag nagkakadikit kayo may static.
Oo.
Oh, nag-ground ako
Yun
sa'yo.
ba yun?
That's
Yun
the
ba yun?
energy, right?
Energy ba yun?
Yeah.
So of course, with X39, there can be a lot of benefits that you will be experiencing. Like it can be an immediate effect in rapid pain relief, no, inflammation, improvement in skin appearance is one. Fast relief, fast recovery pagdating ng mga dancing and the exercise ninyo, no? And of course, reduction of stress.
Fast
is in there.
recovery.
Yes.
So, tama-tama
And
pala to,
exercise.
partner, sa ating mga dance fitness
Instructors.
or
Hindi
lalo
lang.
na yung mga
Yung mga
lagi
attendees
nagda-dance
natin.
fitness
Yeah,
natin,
yung
mga
mga attendees
attendees.
natin.
Bagay na bagay to sa inyo lahat, kayug-yugan.
Actually, kaya nga
Oh.
natin sila dinala dito.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oo.
it enhances performance and at the same time. This
Performance saan?
sports and
Saan?
Ah.
Saan ba yan?
Any
Sa
performance?
especially in
performance sa stage,
Yes.
sa
Every
bahay,
performance.
sa...
Sa ano?
Ayun eh.
Sa...
Yun na yun!
Okay. So,
Regardless of the age.
okay,
Alright,
okay.
okay.
So, alam nyo na. So, yung
So-
bumababa pala yung kanilang level.
Yeah,
ng
so
energy.
It depends on what where you will use it,
But
right?
I'd like to stress on my favorite testimonial,
Okay.
mental clarity.
What's that?
Mental clarity.
Mental clarity.
So, ibig
So, masyadong malalim.
Yeah.
Can you just explain or expound that word? Or ano?
Yeah, prior to LifeWave kasi, medyo mahirap na yung aking memory to retain yung mga recent activity. As we all know that as we age, declining ang health natin. No exemption due to our aging process. And I can feel that what was lost during my aging process is already restored. And one of them is the mental
Wow.
Wow,
That's
grabe,
nice.
no? That's nice. Especially talaga if you're getting age.
Yes.
Even ako,
Kailangan mo yan,
nakaka-experience din ako. Buti nga, partner, hindi kita
Hindi,
nakakalimutan
hindi,
eh.
kailangan mo yan. Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi mo naaalala mga pangalan ng tao nakakasala.
Hindi.
Di ba?
Partner. Ugali ko na talaga. Hindi ko hindi ako madaling makaalala ng pangalan.
Baka sakaling
makatulong, no?
Oo.
Pati nga number, buti nga,
Ayan.
naaalala ko
Pero,
yung mga pangalan ng mga kasama
Subukan
ko eh.
natin. Subukan natin kung talagang gumagana yung memory ni Ma'am. Ma'am,
Sige.
tandaan niyo yung sinabi niyo ng isang araw.
Oh, sinabi ko na po yun.
Yung-
Tinandaan ko
yung-
na.
Ano?
Ang sinabi mo, okay na.
Parang hindi ako kasama doon.
Ay, Ma'am. Tama.
Sinabi mo.
Kailangan namin yan para maalala namin. Hindi namin naaalala. Papat nga.
But oo nga eh. Grabe, no? Kayo talaga, hindi ko alam yung pinag-uusapan nyo, ha? Okay, next question naman, Park Dennis.
Dennis.
How LifeWave patches work?
Yes, actually napakaganda nito because the technology is so advanced, it is used by our own body heat. Imagine niyo na lang yung mga baby na nasa incubator na pinapainitan. The energy of the heat is coming from the source. But this time, the source is our own body heat. That's the reason why so advanced because we are using the speed of light. Kaya napakabilis po nung improvement na nararamdaman once it touches your body. Actually, kahit ilagay nyo pa lamang sa ibabaw po ng inyong damit, this technology works. Yun yung advancement nito because this is a 10 to 20 years in advance na right now is readily available here in the Philippines. At lahat po tayo magkakaroon ng benefits dito.
Wow. So, ibig
Yes.
sabihin, 10 to 20 years
But
advance.
exactly.
Ibig sabihin,
Dapat
pwede-
hindi pa to na-imbento,
Oo,
pero right
pero
now,
nauna na.
that's the reason why we're here, to spread the information to more people that there is a technology existing to elevate and use your own body heat. So safe, non-invasive talaga siya.
Yeah.
So, kanina nabanggit ni ma'am, di ba, galing to sa cells.
Yes, well
Kasi
actually,
parang hindi niya masyado na-explain na
Yeah.
ang body is composed of cells.
yes, actually our
Diba?
body is made out of cells. The technology that LifeWave has, elevate a specific peptide na natutulungan niya once tumaas yung copper peptide sa ating katawan, ina-activate niya yung mga stem cells natin. Ang stem cell natin ay walang pagkakakilanlan na cell. So kung ano yung problem sa areas ng katawan nyo, yun ang tumutulong sa kanya to repair and regenerate. Kaya kung tayo ay tumatanda, kaya sinasabi natin na nagkakaroon ng age reversal. At yun ang kagandahan dito kasi hindi na siya iniinom. Ididikit mo na lang sa katawan.
Oo, Dennis, kasi I remember,
Yun-
ang dami mga products ngayon na we talk about stem cells.
Yun
Diba?
nga yung gusto kong itanong sana, na ano yung pinagkaiba niya? Kasi, di ba mayroon ng mga produkto ngayon na kumukuha ng stem cells sa
Exactly.
animals, right?
Mm-mm.
Something like that. So ano yung difference niya since nababanggit niyo yung stem cell?
Yeah, ang maganda kasi dito, the difference is this is just in a patch form. Ganito lamang po siya. So just imagine may mga tao po na hindi na or ayaw na nilang umiinom ng mga...
Wait, direct paki-focus nga.
Ayan,
Kaya ba
ito.
nating i-focus yung
Alright, this
yung
is the patch. Ayan.
patch? Yan, i-focus natin.
So just
para-
imagine, yung simpleng ganito, kahit sino right now na
Yan,
hindi
oh.
pa nalalaman
Oh.
to,
See?
May cells ba dyan sa loob?
yes, ang kagandahan nito, this is an
Oh.
activator of your own
Activator.
cell. So ang kagandahan nito,
Activator.
hindi
So
ito yung
wala
stem
siyang
cell.
cells sa loob?
Wala. This is-
That one can activates only our cells.
Yes. So yun ang
Okay.
kagandahan. Naturally,
That's
kasi
nice.
sa market kasi right now, there are stem cell therapy that galing sa hayop. And then remember, ang DNA ng tao sa hayop magkaiba. Baka mamaya mga gat na lang tayo, di ba?
Magugulat kayo, lumalago yung balahibo mo sa buhok.
Exactly.
no?
So this is non-invasive and this is an advanced technology, the only phototherapy technology activator in the world. Nag-iisa lamang po
grabe.
ito. Grabe.
Advance nga.
So sobrang advanced.
Sobrang advanced
no?
kasi.
Exactly.
Would you imagine?
Tsaka nakakatuwa na meron ng ganitong klaseng product here in the Philippines. So, kanina nabanggit kanina ni Ma'am Grace yung mga products or yung mga symptoms, 'di ba? So, okay, let's continue. How many hours that patches is on?
Alright, that's a good question. Actually, yung patch po natin is being placed in the body for 12 hours. So, ang kailangan nyo lamang po is to drink a lot of water. Yun lang. Just to drink water. Now, after noon, once you remove it after 12 hour, that's the time na nagkakaroon na po ng repair sa ating katawan. Kasi pag nilagay nyo po ito, 12 hours activating yung cells nyo po sa katawan. And then removing it, it repairs and then regenerates the cells in the body.
Yeah.
Wow, grabe.
Grabe, ganun lang
So,
kasimple.
12
no? Ididikit mo lang.
hours nakalagay, inom ka ng water, then tanggalin mo, inom ka ulit ng water, then after 12 hours, you have to put it again.
Exactly. You have to put
Right.
another patch. So
Another
again,
batch. So, pwede ba namin siyang ulit-ulitin? Kasi nagtitipid ako eh.
yeah, actually,
Ha?
yung ganito po is one-time use.
So,
Once you place it in the body,
Hindi siya
kasi
reusable.
hindi siya
Hindi.
reusable.
Kaya tatandaan natin, hindi
Dennis,
siya
kuripot
reusable.
ako. Gusto ko siyang gupit-gupitin.
Nako, may mga gumawa ng
Di ba?
ganyan.
Para sa sabon lang yan. Kaya ayoko yung sabon ko, gusto ko gawin ko siyang 4.
Yun na nga.
Pwede ba yun?
Sa Pilipino kasi madalas mga ganyan nagtitipid.
Yes.
But again, this is a technology po kasi na again, yung loob nito is used, kailangan po buo.
Ayan.
Hindi ito pizza.
Kasi, for sure yan, pag hinati mo, magiging hati rin yung effect niya. Tama?
Yes.
Pwede.
Correct. Naku, grabe.
By the
no?
way, kasi medyo limited ang oras natin. No? Siyempre, saan po natin mabibili yung produktong ito?
Okay.
Yan.
So, magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ang produkto po natin ay nabibili natin mismo sa office o sa online. Meron, kasi pag naging brand partner ka, anong ibig sabihin ng Lifeway brand partner? Ibig po sabihin, naka-in ka na sa system. So, nag-purchase ka ng product, naging brand partner ka, and then you have a replicated website na you can send it anywhere in the world.
Wow.
Okay, so-
Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website.
Account.
So magkakaroon ka ng account
Oh,
na, for example, kahit nasa abroad siya, gusto ko, ma'am, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganito, gusto ko makabili ng
So
ganito.
anywhere in the
Anywhere.
world, pwedeng i-deliver yan.
Yes, i-deliver
Okay.
po natin
So,
siya,
Ang
ipa-deliver
ganda.
siya.
Maganda yan.
Oo.
Kasi
So,
hindi ka na mahihirapan pang kung saan pang umorder, right?
and we have also our head office here in BGC. So pwede tayong pumunta doon over the sa MDI building, 39th Street corner, 10th Street. So nandoon po tayo sa 8th floor. So pwede po tayo doong pumunta, mag-purchase, but we need the payment here kasi is usually credit card.
Ayan,
So meron
okay.
naman tayong mga mababait
So,
na
managers.
managers na pwede na
Ay, hindi
mag-chat
daw
sa
pwede
atin.
ang debit card.
Debit card, pwede po. Tapos
Gcash. Pwede.
Pwede rin. Nasa
PayPal.
magandang usapan niya.
Diba?
Pwede rin.
Oo. So,
Oo.
pwede pala lahat ng different
Yes.
payment options.
Yes.
Diba?
Yun
So,
ang
kailangan
maganda.
kasi flexible tayo.
Yes,
diba?
flexible tayo. Hindi tayo pwedeng tumanggi sa kahit ano kasi we
Tama.
are concerning about the health
Pero
and the wealth.
Do we have online support system na
Yes,
na
meron din
pagka
po tayo.
anytime mag-inquire sila, may sasagot?
Yes,
Kompleto.
po, meron.
Alright,
Meron
that's
tayo.
nice, that's nice.
Oo.
That's
And then we
good.
have also halos everyday seminars sa office for them to know ano itong product na ito. And then we have also a contact number. You can contact you can visit the www.lifewave.com/puwersa.
Wow!
Yes.
Puwersa!
So, kasi po,
Yes.
partner na
Puwersa.
tayo kasi ng puwersa eh.
Yun!
oh.
Yun ang
Diba?
pinakamaganda doon, partner.
Yes.
Kasi sa lahat po na nanonood sa amin, we are very, very glad to announce to you that Liveway is already a brand partner of Puwersa.
Fitness.
Yes,
Puwersa
Puwersa Fitness. Kasi actually, nakita ninyo noong mga nakaraan, nabanggit ko na rin po yung mga brands na partner namin. But this time, we have partnered with the LifeWave kasi nakikita namin na this product can really help those who are into fitness na makakatulong sa atin to sa everyday needs natin.
Yes.
Yan.
Talagang ang hinahanap
Oo.
namin talagang maka-connect kami.
Maka-connect
sa mga
kami sa
health,
inyo.
wellness, and beauty.
Grabe,
Yan,
no?
yun talaga.
Naku, thank you so much for having
Maraming salamat.
Ang dami-dami naming natutunan. At the same time, yung ating mga nanonood dyan, maraming salamat. At sana po marami kayong natutunan. At pag gusto nyong mag-order, ayan,
Yes.
andun na.
So, syempre, sa
Visit
mga...
www.lifewave.com/puwersa.
Puwersa. Yan.
So sa mga interesado po, puntahan nyo lang po yung website na yon, and then you can directly order the products. Yan. Yan.
Yes, thank you so much.
At syempre,
Grabe, thank you, Grace.
sasamahan-
Thank you,
Welcome,
Malu and
welcome.
Yan,
Dennis.
sasamahan tayo ng ating, ng talagang host ng
This afternoon, ang ating host talaga this
Spot
afternoon.
Connect. Yan.
Wow.
Ayan na.
Ang sexy,
Tan,
sexy.
tan, tan, tan.
Grabe.
Hello! Hello mga kakwersa!
Puwersa, ang lit ng puwewa.
Puwersang-puwersa talaga, no?
Yeah, grabe.
Ayan,
Thank
thank
you.
you po sa inyong pagsama sa aming show today. Ayan. At,
You're always welcome.
thank you so much. Actually, parang ano na nga kayo dito eh. Suki.
Yeah.
So, okay na kasi
Oo.
last week nandito rin
Yeah.
kami.
Maraming salamat
Thank
sa
you din po.
pag-invite sa
Para
amin
daw
dito.
next week yata nandito pa rin eh.
Sino sabi? Mukhang
Oo.
nawiwili na
Ayaw
ra.
ba?
Ay, hindi. Walang problema. Wala pong problema as long as you guys are enjoying. So, ayan. So, magpapa-thank you lang muna ako, guys, ha? Okay, bago ang lahat. Hello muna ako kay Will. Uy, ayan, tsaka kay JP, ayan. At also sa mga tiga Pangasinan, sa friend namin na si Mayora Kip at si Madam Christine. Ayan.
Pwede rin ba
Hello.
kami mag-promote?
Yes.
And of course, okay lang po ba? Magpa-plug na ako, ha? Bago pa tayo mag-uwian.
Yes.
Ayun. Okay, ipa-plug ko lang ang aking social media na Anisay Barreto. Ayan, yan po yung aking IG. Sa Facebook naman po, syempre yung tunay kong pangalan na si Lindsay Ann Magsaysay. Ayan. At ang show namin next week sa Yabadu. Ayan, sa Circle po ito, live and Channel 1. And hello, Chelsea, I miss you. Okay din naman, mag-plug na po kayo.
So, pwede naman kami mag-plug. No?
Yes.
Pwede kami
Go
magpasalamat.
ahead, there.
Alright, you can follow me mga kayugyugan sa TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Just search Kuya Coach EA. Kuya Coach EA. Hindi po
Ayun.
alam nyo na. And then, syempre, gusto po namin na sana suportahan nyo po ang Puwersa Fitness by liking our page sa
Go, go, go.
Facebook. Yan. And
Yeah, Puwersa Fitness.
Yan.
Yes.
At syempre, abangan nyo po at sana makisama kayo, makipagyugyugan sa amin on
Yugyugan!
October 28.
October 28.
Ayan, pinakaabangan na dance fitness concert ng taon.
That's
Sama
gonna
ako
be-
dyan.
Or that gonna be
Yeah.
our
Sige
grand
po.
launching.
Sama po
That
ako
will
dyan,
be-
So,
ha?
sila lightweight na
Thank
Thank
you
you
po.
with us.
Yes.
That
Ayan,
will
our
be
partner.
on October 28,
October 28.
sa Trinity College
3
sa
p.m.
Lapit na yun,
sa
ha?
may E. Rodriguez Avenue.
Yes.
Yan.
So,
Okay.
grabe.
Malapit na po yun, malapit.
Kaya
So-
lahat po kayo, we're inviting to
Please
come and
watch.
join with us.
Okay.
And
Right.
tickets now available. So, PM nyo lang po kami sa aming Facebook
Yan.
page.
At okay, and thank you also to Mary Sharapova. Yan ang aking guest for
Ay,
today. And
yes.
thank you, Sir Dan. Thank you
Sir
po sa
Dan,
lahat na
sa
nanood.
lahat.
Thank you, Sir
Today,
Dan.
it's been a
Yes.
pleasure hosting this show once again. And ito ang
Hotspot
Hotspot Connect! Woo! Thank you for watching!
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Love you, Chelsea. Hi, PJ.
Hi.
JP.
Hi.
Will
Hi.
Oy.
Thank you so much!
Yan.
Salamat,
See you
mga
later.
kaibigan.
Hi, Art.
God bless
Hi,
you all.
Lauren. Hi,
Veronica
Jen.
Veron.
Bye!